Surprise! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Somi. You can call me Dr. Somi. Doing a hair vlog. What that is just me doing my hair in bits and pieces throughout a few days because that's how I normally do my hair, and that is the only way I can do my hair per usual and get content, right? So tonight it is about 2:51 a.m. in the morning. Yes, I got done work at midnight and I went to CVS to get some things. I came back, did a couple of prayers. Now I'm ready to style my, well, not style my hair, but take out my old style. So I still have in the lock petals from my previous video. If you've not seen that, I'm gonna link it in the cards. I probably will wash my hair in the morning if I wake up in time, or sometime during the day. Tomorrow's Friday, and I hope to style my hair by tomorrow evening after church or Saturday morning. I have a baby shower to get to on Saturday, and I would like to be cute for it. So I have these little scissors that I will use to take out the rubber bands, and I hope it will not take me a long time because I'm very tired right now.
Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold day. Cold day. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break?
All right, that took me about 30 minutes, but it felt like forever.
Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, I need to get away now. I need to get away.
All right, good night. Oh. I will see you guys at my next mission. Okay guys, yesterday did not go as planned. It is now 6 a.m. Saturday morning, April 26th. Friday, I was supposed to wash my hair sometime in the morning. I was supposed to at least try to twist my hair, and then I didn't even tell you guys the style that I'm thinking of doing. A boho loc bob, but I don't think I'm gonna be doing the loc part. It might just end up being 2-strand twists with added hair. I'm just so tired, like I was so tired. Friday I went to bed at like 4 a.m. I woke up, I did work all the way to like 6. I went to church, praise night at 7, came back at 9, finished my work around 11:30. I ate because I was hungry by that time. I did midnight prayers around 2. I thought I was gonna wake up and do this, but I did not. I was sleeping. I was so tired. And the funniest thing about this whole process is the baby shower that I thought was today, Saturday, at 2 p.m. in Charlotte is Sunday. Girl. So all this time until about 5 minutes to go, I literally was thinking I have to do my hair, film all the footage, get dressed, and leave the house by noon. And the whole time, the baby shower is on Sunday. So that's a huge relief. I'm very relieved that I don't have to like hurry up. But since I'm awake, I need to do my hair because I'm trying to be working out today, sleeping, watching some videos on YouTube, reading my Bible, and I don't know, whatever else they may bring. But I'm so tired right now. I'll be exhausted. By the way, I did this ponytail. This is what how I wore my hair to church. I just put like a scarf around the edges, do my baby hairs, of course, and I just have it in the ponytail. But this is like my signature look. I do this look mainly when I need to do my hair or wash my hair. The ponytail is not always curly because obviously, sorry, allergies. But because of the lock petals, it's very curly and it's cute like this. It's really cute. But I want my hair done, so yeah, I want my hair done, and I have to do my hair because I have no other time to do it this week, and I'm going out of town next weekend. So it has to be done today. So the next step is to use my apple cider vinegar mixture on my scalp. So I will do that right now. After I do that, I will just go upstairs and wash my hair. I'm not doing it on camera. Like, that's doing too much. And then I'll come back. And then I will come back and start the process. Look at that patch, y'all. That's crazy. That's a mixture of glue, edge gel, the Gossipy gel, and gel. I really wish I had somebody to wash my hair because I just installed press-ons this week and I don't want it to like soak off.
Who gon' stand against me? Who gon' win against the views all around me? I lay up been drowning mountains in the sea. Almost scriptures, dominating, undefeated. That's my reigning king. This that good news. Me and Jesus, we together, got that synergy. Got them atoms all vibrating, check the atmosphere. It's a mood that I said it right. We gon' be alright.
I just washed my hair, and guess what time it is? It's 1:30 p.m. Saturday, which means when I woke up back to sing to wash my hair, I did not in fact wash my hair. So here we are.
Jesus got me, I stay
now I'm found. All of the ways you allow, through every up, every down. I'm calling on my savior. Oh, I got you direct like a nectar. I know your rain won't let up, 'cause you created it all. It was you all by yourself. Oh, El Shaddai, holy you are. It was you all by yourself. Oh, El Shaddai, holy you are. All by yourself. Oh, El Shaddai, holy you are. I just pray the sins are forgiven. My soul heard every time I give in. My stance cemented, no slipping. You been right there from beginning. The story been written. Gotta remind myself when that doubt try to kick in. We came too far to be stagnant. Foot on demons' necks, letting them have it. We fall from average, cut from different fabric. The garment on my God fit snug, no dragging. I came from savage to 40-day fasting. The war is on your mind, but your mind is on your caption. Capture the minds of the fragile. Heart breaks casual.
Alright. I am 90% done with my style. I've done my twist, and now I'm gonna add the crochet hair. This is all the hair I have left, so I hope it's going to be enough. It is free tress beach curl. I have been trying to think how I want to add the curly hair. I don't think I want to put them on every lock. I don't know. I just don't feel like it. I do know, however, I don't want to put them on the last like 2 rows because when it starts getting old, I feel like it gets matted back there easier or faster. So I don't think I'm going to do that. So I think I'm going to leave out the back 2 rows. So I will start with this bunch in my hand. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'm done.